And crude prices have eased slightly today on concerns that a resurgence of coronavirus infections in India and Japan, world's third and fourth largest oil importers, would cut fuel demand in Asia. On this Brent crude futures, they were down 0.1% to $66.03 a barrel, following a 1.1% rise on Friday. US WTI, the crude futures there were down 4 cents or 0.1% at $62.10 a barrel after rising 1.2% on Friday. Both benchmark crudes fell about 1% last week. PM Narendra Modi of India has urged all citizens to be vaccinated and exercise caution, saying that storm of infections had shaken India as the country set a new global record for most COVID infections in a day. In Japan, third state of emergency in Tokyo, Osaka and 2 other prefectures began yesterday, affecting nearly a quarter of population as country attempts to combat a surge in cases 3 months before Tokyo Olympic. Chicago corn, wheat and soybeans, they have hit multi-year highs last week as concern over cold weather damage to crop across US grain belt underpinned prices. This along with expectations for more use of agriculture products for biofuels. OPEC, which is an organization of petroleum exporting countries and allies led by Russia, known as OPEC+, it will hold a largely technical meeting this week with major changes to policy unlikely. Russian Deputy Prime Minister and OPEC+ sources have said that something major is ruled out. Producer Group has surprised the market at its April 1 meeting by agreeing to gradually ease record outputs in crude. US energy firms, meanwhile, have cut number of oil rigs operating for the first time since March, as rigs fell by 1 to 438 last week. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.